Students, open your textbook, page number 19, exercise 1.2, question number 2. Now in previous video, in first question, we did the conversion from chain base index number to fixed base index number. Now in this, I am going to explain you conversion from fixed base index number to chain base index number. That means in question, fixed base index number are given and you have to convert from fixed base to chain base index number. Okay, question number 2. Now in this question, the base year is mentioned. If you will read the question, the base year is given. When the base year is given, then we will take the first number will be same, 117.4. Okay, if you will read the question carefully, the base year is given. So if the base year is given, then if you will convert from fixed to chain, the first answer will be same. Now suppose in any question the base year is not mentioned, then you will take the first answer as 100, not as what the given. अगेन आई एम एक्सप्लेनिंग यू, अगर क्वेश्चन में बेस ईयर मेंशन किया हुआ है तो जो नंबर दिया हुआ है वही आपका आंसर होगा इस मेथड में. लेकिन अगर क्वेश्चन में बेस ईयर नहीं मेंशन किया है तो जो नंबर है वो नहीं, हम यहाँ क्या लेंगे 100. बट इन दिस क्वेश्चन बेस ईयर इज गिवन. इफ यू विल रीड द क्वेश्चन क्लियरली, then I will take the same number. Then the sum is simple. Chain base index number means 118, that is current year's index number, and you will divide it by the index number of previous year into 100. Current year's index number divided by the previous year's index number. Current year's index number divided by the previous year's index number. Okay, simple. Now see, when you are converting from fixed to chain or you are finding chain base index number, it's same. So just what you did, take the current year's index number divided by the previous year's index number. Take the current year's index number divided by the previous year's index number into 100. Now just then you have to use your calculator and find the answer. It will be easy for you. Okay, you can do it now. You can find the answer. So complete this sum yourself. Now question number 3 is your homework. This is question number 2. Question number 3 is your homework. बस उसमें एक ही change है. That is same. In question number 3, fixed base index number is given and you have to convert it into chain base index number. But the only difference is that base year is not mentioned in question number 3. So what you will take as the first answer? 100. अगर बेस ईयर मेंशन नहीं है तो फर्स्ट आंसर क्या लोगे? 100. देन डू द सेम. करंट ईयर्स इंडेक्स नंबर डिवाइड बाय प्रीवियस ईयर्स इंडेक्स नंबर इनटू 100. सिंपल. सो क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू. लिसन दिस वीडियो केयरफुली, एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 इज योर होमवर्क.